Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly find your Instagram highlights from just the past week, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to filter your Instagram highlights so you can easily revisit your recent memories or share them with friends. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to filter your highlights. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options for managing your account. From here, tap on your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on the app, including the content you've shared. Scroll down until you see the Highlights option under the Content You Shared section. Tap on Highlights to see all the stories you've saved as highlights. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of the highlights screen, you'll see a Filter by Date option. Tap on it, and a calendar or date picker will appear. To filter your highlights from the past week, simply select the Past Week option. Instagram will instantly show you only the highlights you've added or updated in the last 7 days. This feature is perfect if you want to keep track of your recent stories, create a new highlight from your latest adventures, or just take a quick trip down memory lane without scrolling endlessly. That's all there is to it. Filtering your Instagram highlights from the past week is now easier than ever with this updated method. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.